Hi Sonu, how are you? Hi, I am fine. Today is Sunday. Let's enjoy. Come out of the house. I have an exam on tomorrow, and in addition, I have a project in English. So I did not be late for the Sunday games.
Okay, where is your brother Monu?
He is behind me. Hi Monu. Hi. Everyone is waiting for you to play cricket outside.
Okay, just wait. Sonu, I will go to play cricket with my friends.
You will go to play when you will study. If you will don't study, your marks would be down.
Oh Sonu, I will study in the evening. You don't worry, the exam is not today, but tomorrow. As far as consider our marks like luck, whether it is good or bad.
No, if sound of all your works postponing to tomorrow, then you will lag behind all.
Sonu, what should I do now? My luck is bad.
My dear brother, who makes not use of proper use of the time, postponing works to tomorrow, the luck never progress in the life.
Moral, time and tide, wait for none. Thank you.